Go.
Hi, and welcome to Two Tired Teachers.
This video is about learn from our mistakes. You'll notice how beautifully blue the background is here. Well, it wasn't.
All of it's beautifully blue.
And most of this video, you're just going to be seeing some before and after pictures of our RV.
We thought we were doing everything right. We were washing it and waxing it twice a year.
Yeah, this is a 2018 Winnebago Micro Minnie. We bought it in January of 2019. And we're not faulting the product we used.
No.
We were using it the way we thought was going to be best. But twice a year,
Yes.
we were washing by hand and waxing, polishing by hand. And the first 4 times through,
It did pretty well.
it seemed like it was really helping and doing a great job. But that 5th time, as you can see by the before pictures, it's like it just
The color slid off.
drained that color. And so we considered a possibility of painting. That is cost prohibitive. We never went and actually got an estimate,
No.
but the ballparks we heard were between $5,000 and $8,000, which wasn't going to happen.
No.
I watched videos on how to restore the color, and usually when I'm doing a minor project, I'll watch 5 or 6 different
Yes.
videos, get a good feel for what's going on. These videos, the more I watched, the more I realized I could make this a lot worse.
Yes.
It did show me that the color was probably still there, but I won't go into all of the details, but essentially what had probably been happening with that polish is we had actually been scuffing just a little bit the clear coat that was on here. And to get this back, Adam at XL Custom Detailing in Brownwood, Texas, did a 3-stage compound. Now, I didn't actually talk to him about all of this, but from the videos I watched, my guess is he went over this RV 10 times. First of all, washing, then using something to get rid of all of the stuff that the
Yes.
washing didn't get off. Bugs, tar, tree sap, that kind of stuff. Then washing. Then even just a short 18-foot box, it's a 22-foot trailer, and 7 feet wide. When you're doing 2-foot by 2-foot sections,
It's a
labor.
lot.
And so you put on a compound, you wash that off. You put on the next layer, you wash that off. You put on the next layer, you wash that off. Then there's a UV protectant that's on here.
And clear coat.
And so it cost us not nearly as much as painting. But considering how labor intensive this was, we'll go on and tell you how much we paid. Your RV, there are all kinds of things that
Yes.
could make it a different price.
Yes.
We are not quoting prices for XL. We're just telling you when you look at what all was done,
We're extremely pleased.
it was $1,150 to get the entire thing completely detailed. And
Adam earned his money.
he's a perfectionist. He does, now, once again, depending on what you're needing done, if you're going to be in West Texas and you want to have your RV detailed, he does some mobile work. So if you're at a park, he even has gone to Abilene,
Yeah.
the Lake Brownwood, places kind of around. But you can give them a call. We are so pleased. And the way we're going to keep it this way,
Is take it in once a year.
yeah, once or twice a year, but we'll probably be doing once a year, and getting a refresher on that UV protectant. And between those, we'll go through the washes where, there's a little handgun thing that we just, and this shine will come back. But
And she will take care of the roof.
yeah, we do a UV protectant on the roof twice a year. We're actually probably now we're going to be doing 4 times a
Yeah.
year that we're not having to kind of
Yeah.
coordinate it with the waxing and stuff. But guys, we thought we were doing the right thing with our gel clear coat, and you can tell we didn't do it.
No.
We were following what we thought were the directions. Like I said, I'll put the product on there. We're not faulting the product, but if we did it, we just want to warn
Yes.
you that
You may be doing more harm than good, and I think if this had had more color left, the price wouldn't have been as much. I don't know that for a fact.
Yeah, this was, like I said, this was really labor intensive. And so, and there's finesse to it.
Yes.
Using those buffing tools, you don't want to use too much pressure because you
Yes.
really will cut down in the color. Knowing the right buffers to use with the right polishes and the right pressure and all of that. Yeah, like if you've watched our channel, you know I love doing all the minor repairs I can. This was a time when I just tapped out and said, no,
Yes.
this is, I can make this a lot worse. So, like we said, we don't like admitting we've done things wrong.
But we sure are glad XL was here to bail us out.
And like we said, if you have a newer RV and that clear coat is still in good shape, be very careful about,
Yeah.
you know, maybe less is better.
And of course, a lighter color wouldn't have shown as much. But this blue, it was really faded.
Well, and I gotta tell you, when we first had it done, I told him not to worry about the front. But then when we saw how shiny this was, we realized there was oxidation on the front, so go on and get it shined up. And so he did that for us, and we are super pleased. And like we said, XL Custom Detailing, we'll put the card, we'll put the information.
Yes.
You can check out their Facebook page. Thanks a lot. We appreciate what they
Yes.
did for us.
We do.
And if you can avoid the mistake we made,
Do it.
that's why we're telling you we did it. Thanks for watching Two Tired Teachers.